Hi, good day everyone. I'm RUZVAN de LLOVERAS. I'm from Bachelor of Science in Mechatronics 1-B. So in this video, my second video, I am going to perform on how to install also the Ethernet cable using the crossover cable. So let's start. So first, as we have first same as our video, so we need to prepare our equipments or materials in order for us to install our Ethernet cable. So we have here the UTP cable with category of 5E. So we have here the RG45. We have here the crimping tool. We have here the cutter. And also we have here the uh, mm, cable tester. So let's start. So first things to do is we need to cut the edge of our UTP cable. So after we cut, we need to arrange it by color in order. So ato sa siyang bahinon atong husayon. So in a crossover cable, so ang maguna kay ang white green. So white green, we have here green, the white orange, the blue, the white blue, the orange, the white brown, and lastly the brown. So ato siyang hiluton og pag-ayo to make it work, to make it perfect. So we have arranged it first by color. So we have here the white green, the green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, and the brown. So after we arrange it in color, in proper order, so again we need to review our work. So after we review, we need to trim our UTP cable, and then I used crimping tool to trim our UTP cable. So after we trim, again i-review na sa natog balik. So if it is dili siya tupong, mag-trim na sa tagbalik para hapsay ang atong gibuhat. Itupong to ni siya. Na So we need to insert it to our RG45. So, and then we need to crimp it. Ito na sa crimp. So after we do this, so the side naman sa atong button, side lane. So again, we need to cut the edge of our UTP cable with category of Cat5e. And then we need to ato siyang husayon para perfect siya. So in an crossover cable in T568B, so dili na siya pareha sa T568A kay crossover man siya, so wala na sa iyang order sa iyang color. So let's try to find it. So again, dili jud siya pareha sa color, di siya pareha sa kanang T568A and T568B. So in T568B, so we have here the white orange ang maguna, sunod orange, sunod white green, followed by white green, also followed by green, followed by blue, the white blue, followed by blue, white green, blue, white blue, human green, and then white brown, and lastly the brown. So again, ato siyang hiluton, ato siyang to make it proper way. So ato siyang hiluton. So ato siyang i-review daan usa ra na to hiluton. Give her white orange, orange, white green, human white green blue, human white blue, white blue, white blue, green, white brown, and lastly the brown. So ato na siyang hiluton. So again, after we arrange it in a proper order, and after we hilot ato siyang also i-review na balik ang atong kung sakto ba siya. We have here the white orange, the orange, the white green, review na to balik. Oh. But white orange, the orange, white green, blue, white blue, the orange, white blue green, white brown, and then brown. So ato siya giluton pagbalik kay murag na diskumpiyado tato dapit sa unahan. So after that, after we review, this is the time we trim our UTP cable. Siya na trim og pag-ayo. So after we trim, i-check sa natog balik ang atong connection, if sakto ba siya. So di siya sakto na bali. Bali na siya. Ano na siya? So insert na natin to sa atong RJ45. Ato sa i-check, tarong mo dyan na to siya i-check. So, and then there you have it. Ato na siyang itarungon. Then atong i-crimp. Cream na nato siya. And then we need to check it to our cable tester if sakto bang atong output. So ato na siyang i-insert sa atong network cable tester. So as ato na siyang i-switch on. So and then there you have it. One. So ang atong Ethernet cable with crossover cable is correct. So thank you for watching and God bless.